Good afternoon, students. I am Sudhir Prasad Rai again from DAV Public School MTPS Kanti. I have come again to deal with the problems of the rational numbers, the worksheet 6. Rational numbers between, today's topic is finding rational numbers between two rational numbers. To find finding rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Rule first, if x and y are two rational numbers, then x plus y by 2, x plus y by 2 whole by 2 is a rational number between x and y. That is, if x and y are two rational numbers, we divide x plus y by 2, it will give you the rational number between x and y. Another thing, there are infinitely many rational numbers between two rational numbers. What does it mean? Between two rational numbers, there are infinite rational numbers. So many rational numbers are there between two given rational numbers. Okay? Let us have an example. Find two rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. Find two rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. We know the formula. A rational number between x and y is given by x plus y by 2. Here you have seen a rational number between x and y is given by x plus y by 2. So here the one rational number between 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 will be 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 whole divided by 2. So here you may see we have taken the LCM of 2 and 4, it is 4. 4 divided by 2, it is equal to 2 into 2, 2. 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. It is 1 into 3 is equal to 3. So it is 5 by 4 by 2. 5 by 4 by 2. It means 5 by 4 into 2 is equal to 5 by 8. So one rational number between 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 is 5 by 8. So we have got one rational number. Now we have to find another rational number. Then we will have 1 by 2 and 5 by 8. The first rational number is 1 by 2 and the second rational number we have got, that is 5 by 8. So the second rational number what we are desirous of finding will be found between 1 by 2 and 5 by 8. 1 by 2, 5 by 8 and 3 by 4 is there. So we will find another rational number between 1 by 2 and 5 by 8. So 1 by 2 and 5 by 8, 1 by 2 plus 5 by 8 whole divided by 2. 1 by 2 plus 5 by 8 whole divided by 2. Here again we will take the LCM of 2 and 8, it is equal to 8. 8 divided by 2, 4, and 8 divided by 8, 1 into 5, 5. So 4, 5, 9 by 8 by 2, 9 by 8 by 2, that is equal to 9 by 8 into 2, that is 9 by 16. Okay, so in this way we have found two rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. Now see another example, another question, another example. Find four rational numbers between 1 and 2. Just an example, find four rational numbers between 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are also rational numbers. So we have to find four rational numbers between 1 and 2. Now see the first rational number between 1 and 2 will be 1 plus 2 whole divided by 2. 1 is x, 2 is y. So the first rational number between will be x plus y by 2, that is 1 plus 2 by 2, that is 3 by 2. First rational number we have got 3 by 2. It can also be shown on the number line. This is 1, 0 on the number line, 1 and here it is 2. Here it is 2. 1 and 2. And so then rational number between, just between, in the middle of 1 and 2 is 3/2. It is written over here. This point denotes the number 3/2. That is number between 1 and 2. 1 और 2 के बीच का जो नंबर होगा 1.5 होगा, 1.5 होगा या 3/2 होगा. तो ठीक 1 और 2 के बीच में ये 3/2 हमने लिया. ठीक है, इसको हमने पॉइंट से डिनोट कर दिया. ये 1 और 2 के ठीक बीच में है. नाउ अब हम क्या करते हैं, नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड अनदर रेशनल नंबर. इसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं, अनदर रेशनल नंबर हम क्या करते हैं कि 1 और 3/2 के बीच में लेते हैं. 1 यहाँ है और 3/2 यहाँ है. इसके बीच में एक नंबर हम और निकाल लेते हैं. फॉर दैट पर्पस व्हाट विल डू, द वन रेशनल नंबर, सेकंड रेशनल नंबर बिटवीन 1 एंड 3/2. 1 और 3/2 के बीच में नंबर निकालते. 1 + 3/2 बाय होल बाय 2. 1 + 3/2 whole divided by 2. Here we have taken the LCM. 1 into it is 2. 2 divided 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 2 divided by 2 1. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. So 2 plus 3 5/2 by 2. 5/2 by 2 is equal to 5/2 into 2, it is equal to 5/4. So the second rational number between 1 and 3/2, 1 and 3/2, this is 3/2, this is 1, this is 1 and this is 3/2. Just between 1 and 3/2, it is another rational number, that is 5/4. This point you are watching, this point it is 5/4. It is between 1 and 3/2, exactly between 1 and 3/2. Okay, now we want to find another rational number between 1 and 5/4. Here we have got 1 and here it is 5/4. It is 1 and it is 5/4. So just one number exactly between 1 and 5/4 will be 1 plus 5/4 whole divided by 2. 1 plus 5/4 whole divided by 2, and it is LCM is 4. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9/4 whole divided by 2, it is 9/8. So here you see this number exactly here, this point exactly is a number between 1 and exactly between 1 and 5/4. This is 1 and this is 5/4. So the another number 9/8 is exactly between 1 and 5/4. So another rational we have got, that is 9/8. Okay, now we may also find some other numbers also. So just like see, rational number between 3/2 and 2. See, it is 3/2. It is 3/2. Just we had marked it as a point 3/2. 3/2 and 2. 3/2 और 2 के बीच में क्या हो जाएगा? 3/2 plus 2 whole divided by 2. 3/2 plus 2 whole divided by 2. So it is again 3/2. LCM is 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. And 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So 3 plus 4 by 2 by 2. That is 7/2 by 2. That is equal to 7/4. So this number is exactly 7/4. You have seen? This is exactly 7/4. This between 3/2 and 2. Exactly between 3/2 and 2. 3/2 and 2. Exactly between 3/2 and 2 is a number, that is 7/4. Again, we can also find some other number that is between 3/2 and 7/4. Sorry, 7/4 and 2. We can find another number between 7/4 and 2. So it will be 7 by 4 plus 2, 7 by 4 plus 2 whole divided by 2. You may see here LCM is 7 by 4, 4. 4 divided 4 is equal to 1, 1 into 7 is equal to 7, 4 divided by 1 is equal to 4, 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So 7 plus 8 by 4 by 2, that is 7 by 8, 7 plus 8, 15 by, that is 15 by 4 divided by 2, that is 15 by 8. So here we have shown the number between 7 by 4 and 2. 7 by 4 and 2, it is 15 by 8 and it is shown by this. So we have come to know that we can find 3, 4, 5 numbers between the two given numbers 1 and 2, and similarly we can find many other numbers. Okay, this is the way to find 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers between two given numbers. There is another alternative method also for finding certain rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Just like see 4 by 13 and 1 by 13. Find 4 rational numbers, 3 rational numbers, 5 rational, whatever it may be, between two given numbers 4 by 13 and 1 by 13. So what we have done here, both the denominators are the same. 13 here, 13 here. If the denominators are different, then what do? We make the denominators equal. Okay, by making the fractions with equal denominators. Here 4 by 13 and 1 by 13, we have multiplied numerator and denominator both by 2. Here also 1 both by 2. So it is 8 by 26 and it is 2 by 26. Now 8 by 26 and 2 by 26. We can have many rational numbers between them. 8 by 6, 2 by 6, after 2 by 6 it is 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6, 6 by 3 by 26, 4 by 26, 5 by 26, 6 by 26, 7 by 26. In this way also we can find the rational numbers between two given rational numbers. For that purpose, we have to make the denominators equal denominators. In that case, some denominator may be multiplied by 5, the another may be multiplied by some other number, but both their denominators should be same, and their denominators may be different, and then we will find the different rational numbers between the two given rational numbers. Okay, now let us see, find the three rational number. Another example, between minus 7 by 10 and 11 by 10. Minus 7 by 10 and 11 by 10. Minus 7 by 10 and 11 by 10. You may see minus 7 by 10, minus 6 by 10, minus 5 by 10, minus 4 by 10, minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10. All these numbers are greater than minus 7 by 10. And 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 8 by 10, 9 by 10, 10 by 10. Up to 11 by 10. Here we have to write here 10 by 10 only. And here we will write 11 by outside 11 by 10. How it is so? Minus 7 by 10, 0, minus 1 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 3 by 10, minus 4 by 10. So we have seen here that many rational numbers, minus 7 by 10, between minus 7 by 10 and 11 by 10, you may have 0, minus 1 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 3 by 10, minus 4 by 10, minus 5 by 10, minus 6 by 10, and 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 8, 7 by 10, 8 by 10, 9 by 10, 10 by 10. This can also be explained with the help of the diagram, with the help of the number line. You may see here very carefully. Here it is 0, okay, origin, and now there is here it is 1, here it is 1, and here it is -1. Now this 0, this 1 is divided into 10 parts. 1 is divided into 10 parts. So 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 8 by 10, 9 by 10, 10 by 10 or 1. 10 by 10 or 1, because 10 divided by 10, this will give you 1. So when 1 is divided into 10 parts, 1 is divided into 10 parts, each part is 1 by 2, 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 10 by 10. Okay. And after that, one more part, that is, it may be another part, one more part, that is 1, and then another equal part will be 2. So 1 by 10, again another one part, 1 will be divided into 10 parts. That will give you 11 by 10, 12 by 10, 13 by 10, 14 by 10, 15 by 10, 16 by 10, 17 by 10, 18 by 10, 19 by 10, and 20 by 10. 20 by 10, that is equal to 2. But there is no need of that, because we have to find up to 11 by 10 only. Okay. And here, this is 1 to the left side of the 0, that is negative part. So one part here 10 by 10, and one part here minus 10 by 10, that is 0 minus 1. It is divided into again into 10 parts. You may see 1 minus 1 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 3 by 10, minus 4 by 10, minus 5 by 10, okay, minus 6 by 10, minus 7 by 10, minus 8 by 10, minus 9 by 10, minus 10 by 10, that is equal to minus 1. When minus 1 is divided into 10 parts, then it gives you minus 10 by 10, that is minus 10 by 10 is equal to minus 1. Now you may see by observation, three numbers mean minus 7 by 10 and minus 11 by 10. See here, it is minus 7 by 10. Isn't it? Minus 7 by 10. So between minus 7 by 10 and and 11 by 10. Minus 7 by 10, after this minus 6 by 10, minus 5 by 10, minus 4 by 10, minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, 0, 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, and so on up to 10 by 10. Up to 10 by 10, that is 1. So in this way, we have got many rational numbers. We have to find only 3 rational numbers. We are having so many rational numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, up to this rational numbers between minus 7 by 10 and minus 11 by 10. This is another method. Okay, this is another method by finding the rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Let us have a question from your worksheet 6, that is question number 4. It is to find minus 4 by 7 and mod minus 4 by 7. Minus 4 by 7 under mod minus 4 by 7. Here mod minus 4 by 7 can be written minus of minus 4 by 7. That is minus into minus plus 4 by 7, because by the definition of the mod, if x is negative, then it is equal to minus of minus x. This is by the definition of absolute value. If minus x is there, it is equal to minus of minus x, that is positive x. As we know that any value under the mod is always positive. So minus 4 by 7, mod minus 4 by 7 is equal to 4 by 7 plus 4 by 7. So we have to find, lastly we have to find rational numbers between minus 4 by 7 and 4 by 7. Okay, this can also be understood. Very simple question is this. This can also be understood minus 4 by 7. After that you will have minus 3 by 7, minus 2 by 7, minus 1 by 7, 0, 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7 and 4 by 7. You can see with the help of this number line, 0 is here and 7 is the denominator. So we will divide, and every number is less than 1. 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, all are less than 1. So we will take 0 to 1 and 0 to minus 1. 1 in positive and 1 in negative. One part, 1 unit in positive and 1 unit negative. And this 1 unit will be divided into 7 parts because denominator is 7. डिनोमिनेटर 7 है, इसलिए 1 को हम 7 पार्ट में बांटेंगे. वो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 पार्ट्स आर देयर. हियर इट इज 1 by 7, it is 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7, 7 by 7. Again 7 by 7 is equal to 1. Again 7 by 7 is equal to 1. So when 1 is divided into 7 parts, okay, then 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7, 7 by 7 is equal to 1. So 1 के बदले में हम 7 by 7 लिखते हैं. यहाँ पर 1 लिख दिया है, नीचे 7 by 7 हो गया. Now here again in the minus part, that is the negative unit 1. This negative 1 minus 1 can also be divided into 7 parts because we have to find minus 4 by 7. So here we have again divided this minus 1 to 7 part. Minus 1 by 7, minus 2 by 7, minus 3 by 7, minus 4 by 7, minus 5 by 7, minus 6 by 7, and minus 7 by 7. Again minus 7 by 7 is equal to how much? Minus 1. And so we have written minus 1 here. Now how many numbers do we have to find between minus 4 by 7 and 4 by 7? So you may see 4 by 7 minus 4 by 7 तो यहाँ है, इससे बड़ा minus 3 by 7, minus 2 by 7, minus 1 by 7, 0, 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7. 4 by 7 से छोटा और minus 4 by 7 से बड़ा, यही नंबर होगा. minus 4 by 7 से बड़ा minus 3 by 7, minus 2 by 7, minus 1 by 7 और minus 0, 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7. Okay, so in this way we have found several rational numbers between 4 and minus 4 by 7 and plus 4 by 7. Okay, this can be also done by some other method also, as it was explained the first method, the second method. Okay, and by the number line also, or you can do by on your end, by your own understanding, that minus 4 by 7, minus 3 by 7, 0, 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, in this way. Okay, so all of you have understood how to find rational numbers, 2 or 3 rational numbers between 2 given rational numbers. Now there is a question in your book, that is value based question. Value based question, it is of your book in the rational number chapter. Rohit donated 1 by 5 of his monthly income to an NGO, non-governmental organization aimed for गर्ल चाइल्ड एजुकेशन. रोहित ने एक जितना कमाता है मंथली सैलरी है उसका 1/5 वह एक NGO को देता है, जो NGO क्या करती है, लड़कियों की शिक्षा पर ध्यान देती है. और एंड स्पेंट 1/4 ऑफ हिज सैलरी ऑन फूड, और उसको जो सैलरी मिलता है उसका 1/4 भाग, 1/4 भाग वह भोजन पे खर्च करता है, ठीक है। एंड 1/3 ऑन रेंट, और 1/3 जो सैलरी मिलती है उसका 1/3 भाग वह रेंट देने में खर्च करता है, किराया देने, मकान किराया देने। एंड 1/15 ऑन अदर एक्सपेंसेस, और 1/15 भाग वह दूसरे खर्चों में खर्च करता है, दूसरे मद में खर्च करता है, बहुत सारे खर्च होते हैं। और इतना खर्च करने के बाद ही इज लेफ्ट विद ₹9,000, और तब उसके बाद 9,000 रुपया बचता है। कहता है फाइंड रोहित मंथली सैलरी, ठीक है। व्हाट वैल्यूज ऑफ रोहित आर डिपिक्टेड हियर, ये जो रोहित जो पैसा दे रहा है एनजीओ को, तो इसमें रोहित का कौन सा गुण दिखाई पड़ता है, उसके कौन से गुण हैं जो दिखाई पड़ते हैं। और दूसरा क्वेश्चन है व्हाई इज द एजुकेशन स्पेशली फॉर गर्ल चाइल्ड इम्पोर्टेंट, लड़कियों के लिए शिक्षा क्यों आवश्यक है, क्यों महत्वपूर्ण है, ठीक है। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस सी, लेट रोहित्स मंथली सैलरी बी इक्वल टू ₹X, हमने x मान लिया, ठीक है। मनी स्पेंट और डोनेटेड ऑन एनजीओ, spent on NGO or donated to NGO, should have been donated to NGO, इक्वल टू 1/5 ऑफ x, कारण 1/5 भाग जो वह कमाता है उसका 1/5 भाग वह एनजीओ को देता है, तो उसका इनकम हमने x माना है, तो 1/5 ऑफ x, 1/5 ऑफ x, ऑफ का मतलब गुना होता है, तो 1/5 इंटू एक्स दैट इज x/5, या 1/5 इंटू एक्स, और इसको हम लिख सकते हैं x/5 भी, ठीक है, ठीक है। एंड मनी स्पेंट ऑन फूड, भोजन पे क्या खर्च किया, तो 1/4 ऑफ एक्स दैट इज 1/4 इंटू एक्स, या इसको हम लिख सकते हैं x/4, ठीक है। उसके बाद मनी स्पेंट ऑन अदर एक्सपेंसेस, दूसरे चीज़ों पर वह खर्च करता है, एक छूट गया, पहले होना चाहिए था, मनी स्पेंट ऑन रेंट, मनी स्पेंट ऑन रेंट इज 1/3 ऑफ एक्स, यू आर सीइंग हियर 1/3 ऑफ एक्स दैट इज x/3, हमने डायरेक्ट लिख दिया x/3, ₹X/3। नाउ मनी स्पेंट ऑन अदर एक्सपेंसेस, जो दूसरे खर्चों में खर्च है उसका, तो 1/15 ऑफ एक्स दैट इज x/15, इसको भी क्या लिख देंगे हम लोग ₹X/15। अब टोटल खर्च उसका कितना हो गया भाई, व्हाट इज इट्स टोटल एक्सपेंसेस है, टोटल एक्सपेंसेस विल बी, सबको जोड़ देंगे, 1/5 ऑफ x, 1/4 x, 1x/15 एंड x/3, x/5 यहाँ से, x/4 यहाँ से, x/3 यहाँ से, और x/15 यहाँ से, ये इसका टोटल खर्च हो गया। समझ में आ गई बात। अब देखिए ₹5, 4, 15 एंड 3, 5, 4, 15 एंड 3, 5, 4, 15 एंड 3 का एलसीएम ले लिया, 60 हो गया, 60 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 इक्वल टू 12, 12 इंटू एक्स 12x, 60 में 5 4 से भाग देंगे, 15, 15 चौका 60, 15 4 जा 60, 15 हो गया, 15 को x से गुना कर दिया 15x, और 60 में 15 से भाग देंगे तो 4 होगा, 4 इंटू एक्स इक्वल टू 4x, 60 में 3 से भाग देंगे 20 होगा, 20 इंटू एक्स बराबर 20x, राइट। नाउ यू मे सी दिस इज इक्वल टू टोटल 51x/60, सबको जोड़ेंगे, 12 प्लस 15 27 प्लस 4 31 एंड प्लस 20, इट इज 51x, 51x/60, इट इज हिज टोटल एक्सपेंस। देन मनी लेफ्ट इक्वल टू क्या हो गया, ये खर्च कर रहा है 51/60 रुपया, तो इसके पास में कितना बचा, टोटल इसके पास में कितना था, x रुपया था, टोटली ही हैड ₹X, अब उसमें से 51x/60 खर्च कर दिया, तो घटा देंगे, घटा देंगे, x में से 51x/60 को हमने क्या कर दिया, माइनस कर दिया, तो वी हैव टेकन एलसीएम 1 and 60, 60 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 इज इक्वल टू 60 इंटू x, 60x, 60 डिवाइडेड बाय 61 इंटू 51x, and so it is 9x by 60. We have cancelled 9x, 9 and 60 by 3 3 are 9 and 3 20, so 3x by 20. Okay, so money left with him is rupees 3x by 20. उसके पास कितना रुपया बचा? 3x by 20. अब क्वेश्चन में क्या कह रहा है? व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन आस्क? ही इज लेफ्ट विथ रुपीज 9000. ओके, उसके पास में कितना बचता है? 9000 रुपया. हमारे पास में कितना बच रहा है? 3x by 20. हमने जो x माना है उस x के मानने के बाद हमारे पास में कितना रुपया बच रहा है? 3x by 20. और क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है कि रोहित को कितना बच रहा है? 9000. तो दोनों बराबर होगा कि नहीं होगा? होगा ना. 3x by 20 should be equal to 9000. 3x by 20 is equal to 9000. We have crossed multiplication. 3x into 1 बराबर 20 into 9000. 20 into मालूम है ना, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन यू हैव स्टडीड इन क्लास 6. 3x into 1 is equal to 20 into 9000. 20 into 9000. 3x is equal to 9000 into 20. Okay, so lastly 3x is equal to 9000 into 20. X is equal to 9000 to 20 by 3. X is equal to 9000 to 20 by 3. So 9000 cancelled by 3, it is 3000 into 20 and it is equal to 60,000. X is equal to 60,000, that is his monthly salary is equal to rupees 60,000. अब next question is there, what value is depicted by of Rohit here? What value is Rohit's, what value is depicted over here? Sincere about girls' education, means he is very sincere about girls' education. Now next thing is there, another question is that why is the education of girl child important? For the overall development of the society, okay, girls' education is compulsory. In this way, we have I am going to end my lecture today. Okay, so we have seen there are if x and y be, let us recapitulate this. If x and y be two rational numbers, then a rational number between x and y is equal to x plus y by 2. Another thing, we may have infinitely many rational numbers between two given rational numbers, and there are different methods of finding rational numbers between two rational numbers, as I have already explained. So I am going to end my lecture today, and I will send you the assignment on your Snapworks today. You will do the problems, and if you have any problems, you may consult me on my WhatsApp number or on my telephone. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day today. Thank you once again.